Hey YouTube, this is Big Dre 20. I'm over here at my buddy's place, Chris, with his Malibu. What year is your Malibu?
2012.
2012 Chevy Malibu. He has, my previous video I showed his system playing. It's a little louder than that. Today we're gonna find out just how loud it is. He has two Soundstream X3.12s. These subs have been discontinued by Soundstream for years. They're made for SPL. Box is about 4 to 5 cubes, tuned between 36 and 38, 34 to 36, I believe. Last time he didn't have a brace. He went ahead and put some little pieces of wood right there to keep the box in place, so it shouldn't move around like it did last time. Got the SPL Labs meter on the window. This is the SPL Labs 3rd edition, the wireless base meter. The wire that you see right now, that's on it. You can close your yeah. The wire here goes to the clamp meter, which is to the Taramps MD 12,000.1. This is the 0.5 ohm version. Kind of blurry, sorry. I'm clamping at his box, the terminals. The clamp meter is right on the amplifier, but the leads go up to where his subs come from the box. Electrical is a 72 amp hour C-Max lithium battery bank, and he has a 320 amp hour C-Max lithium. So we're gonna see what he does, and everything that you see displayed on the screen is going to be the power and how loud his system actually is, with the meter on the glass. All right, everyone, just waiting for him to get the meter and everything together. I mean, his burps. Meter's already good on my end. Right now we're trying to find his peak. This is the frequency where he's as loud as at. Alright, I don't know what happened, but it seemed like he was... Were you gradually going up in your volume or something?
Nah, that's what it did. You want to do it again?
It's all good. It says that you peak at 33 hertz. I don't know how true that is.
Let's do it again.
It's up to you. Is that all the way up on the volume? Output sucks. 142.6 dB. It's not that strong, but especially on 5,250 watts. All right, everyone, it got louder, so I don't know what difference he did from the first point to this point, but if you see, it said 33 hertz before, and on the screen now to your left bottom it says 52 hertz. So I'm assuming that the first time maybe he didn't have everything dialed in correctly. This is all a learning experience for the both of us. He's still learning himself. I'm trying to give him the benefit of the doubt to do everything his own way, because if we're at a competition, he's gonna have to do his own thing. But this is the power that you see displayed on the bottom. That's how loud his system is getting right here with the meter at the glass. It says right now that your peak is 52 hertz, so go ahead and try to play 52 hertz. So his peak is 52 hertz, which is the loudest his system is, with a 146.7 dB with 6,521 watts clamped to get that score. So we're gonna try 52 hertz right now. He did a sweep to get that. We're gonna see what it does now. Gonna reset the meter. And let's see what happens. All right, as you see, 52 hertz, did a 145.5 dB with 5,935.6 watts clamp on the glass. Try opening your back door. It's not too many more tips I can give you, brother. Try it again. He's doing his back door. All right. Well, as you see, back door didn't make a difference. Go ahead and close it. So 52 hertz, power on up to 5,666.5 watts clamped at 52 hertz with a 145.5 dB on the glass. I'm gonna go ahead and reset this. We're gonna try to see if maybe 50 or somewhere else, maybe a little bit louder. Try 50 hertz. So 50 hertz got a little bit louder or lower. I can't remember the score. We're gonna have to go back and look at it. But he definitely clamped more power from the amplifier. This amplifier is wired to 0.5 to the 2 Soundstream X3.12s. So the power you see now is what he's getting at these different frequencies. So try 51 hertz. We'll reset the meter. Give me 1 second, everyone. Let's see what it does at 51 hertz. So 51 hertz clearly wasn't as loud as 50. Crazy. Go ahead and try 52 again. All right, clearly his score is dropping big time. It's nowhere near with what it was before. But he's still clamping some good power. So we're gonna try 49 hertz. Try 48. And try holding your burps longer than what you do. Score is dropping, so it seems like around 50 hertz might be his peak. We're gonna reset this. I'm gonna start again. Try 50 hertz again. Sorry to keep everybody prolonged. We're just, like I said, everything's testing. Sorry about that, everyone. That was my bad because I did not press play to get the power clamped and his output. All right, so where's your voltage at?
Voltage is at 15.1.
15.1 volts. Bass knobs all the way up, volumes all the way up.
All the way up.
That's it.
All the way up.
And that's all the way up at 40?
Yep.
All right, well, he's maxed out, everybody. No clipping. Or where's your clip like? Put it on the dash. If you can't get it on the dash.
Yeah.
Trying to see about the clamp. All right, so this is the clip light. I'm gonna try to see if it's clipping to get this power or not. I'm gonna try 50 hertz again. As you see, got a 145.6 dB on the glass with 5,505 watt, 5,505.1 watt clamp at 51 hertz with a 145.6 dB on the glass and no clipping out of the Taramps MD 12,000.1 at 0.5. I don't know where he's rising to, but this is the power he's getting right now out of the amplifier. Gonna reset it. Was that 51 hertz or 50?
That was 50.
Try 51. Sorry to keep you guys all here for so long. This is just all testing, trying to get everything dialed in and find out where he's at. All right. It was a 145.4 dB at 51 hertz with 5,558.5 watts clamp. We're gonna reset it. We're gonna try 52, and then we're gonna finish it here. All right, just for because the score is dropping. What used to be his peak doesn't seem to be his peak anymore. Try 45 hertz just because. Why not? Try 48 hertz. Is that 48? All right, it's not showing 48 hertz register because he wasn't louder than 45 hertz. Try 50 again. If 50 hertz is louder than 45, then it would change to 50. All right, so clearly it seems like his system is exhausted a little bit from those back-to-back burps because the score is dropping tremendously. So we're going to go ahead and conclude this test. Hope you guys like what you see. As always, stay tuned for more bass videos just like this. I'm going to be doing videos like this of mine and other people's. So stay tuned for more. As always, peace and love. Thanks for watching.